Hello everyone, here's a quick video on calculating bond energies, or sometimes called calculating bond enthalpies. Okay, bond energies or bond enthalpies, okay? So when we use this, again, I referenced table 8.4 and 8.5 to solve for delta H. I don't have those tables open for me. The point of leaving that up here and not providing you with those numbers is that these numbers will be provided for you, okay? So it's just like delta H, delta G, delta S, you'd have to be given those numbers. But please understand, with delta H and delta G and delta S, whenever we see the sigma sign, that's the sum of, right? So it's always been products minus reactants. This is the only time where you don't have products minus reactants, it's actually reactants minus products. Why? Because you're going to, if you have your reactants that go to products, these have to be broken. You got to break these bonds, and here you make the bonds. Bond energies to break minus make. Reactants minus products. This is the only time it's reactants minus products. I've seen many times where kids have had trouble while I grade the AP exam, where they always think it's products minus reactants. This bond energies or bond enthalpies, this is the exception. This is the exception. So if we take a look at an example, and again, we'd have to look these up. Again, all you're doing right here is taking 4 CH bonds, right? There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 CH bonds here. You have 2 Cl-Cl bonds here. You have 2 FF bonds here. See how I'm doing this? Now, this is a Lewis structure, okay? You should have already watched the video on how to draw Lewis structures, so that's pretty simple, okay? Now, you have 2 CF bonds and 2 CCl bonds, right? Here's your 2 CCl bonds. Here's your 2 CF bonds. You have 2 HF bonds, and you have 2 HCl bonds. I did this. I'm painstakingly go through this because you have to take this bond, the number they give you, times 4, this bond times 2, this bond times 2, etc. Okay? Take all those numbers once you've added them up, because it says sigma. You're going to subtract that from all these numbers added up. Okay? Reactants minus products, the only time you'll see that. That's all I got. Let me know if you have any questions.